Hi Lotuses, so my friend told me about this really cool profile picture maker called Nudekay, and I'm going to tell you how to access it, plus making a profile picture that looks like my PKXD character. So in order to access the avatar maker, in the bar at the top, type google.com. Then in the search bar, you type Nudekay Picrew, and then click or tap on the first link that you see. And it should come up with something like this. So if something like that pops up in your face, you just press the pink button. And I'm actually going to make one that looks like my PKXD character. Here it is, and here we go. Alright, so now that I am done with my Nudekay avatar, you just press the check button when you're done. And after you press the check button, this page should come up. So to save the image to your photos, you just tap and hold or right click, and then just press add to photos. So now voila, my Nudekay character is done and it's ready to be set as your profile picture now. So I hope you liked this Nudekay avatar maker, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone!